Unique Classic Cars. 1952 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe. And this is a pretty one. This is originally a Olympic blue vehicle, so it was paint code number 7. I believe it was a tad bit darker, but I'm not 100% on that. So similar to the way this would have been produced back in 1952. Interior would have been a light blue, dark blue broadcloth combination, trim code number 43. Paint on this car does show well, and take a look at this chrome while we're up front here. I want to give you a good look at this. We'll point out one thing I noticed, but overall, chrome does show nicely. Headlight surrounds, grille, bumper, a little bit imperfection there. I did notice one just tiny little scuff down on the front bumper. Now this particular car, 53, would have been the first year you could get power steering. This does have power steering, so it's added along the line. It actually was in a collection of a local gentleman, unfortunately no longer with us, and this car has always kind of been in that classic car circle of friends. Very nice car. It was time to part with it, so it is now available to purchase. Now if you want to check out the underside, the interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Let you get a good look down the length of this car. Of course, riding on the wide white walls, Cadillac wheel covers, and you can see the car seems to appear pretty darn straight. It was a frame-on restoration. Interior, what I believe this is a LeBaron Bonney fabric. You can tell just by the quality of it. It is a heavier quality fabric compared to what we do see in some of the restorations, and I believe that's what it is. And it's matching carpet, matching headliner. We'll check it out a little closer when we get over to the driver's side. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the condition of the chrome in the rear bumper where the exhaust exits. Nice shape there. You know what you usually see when you take a look at that if one isn't done right. Of course, the gas spill behind the rear driver's side tail light. And as you can see going around this car, the paint does show well. This one will definitely turn some heads into your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. And remember, check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Underneath the hood, that is paired up with an automatic transmission. I'm going to take a look at this interior. Again, done up very nice. Quality, let's put it that way. Tell it's a quality interior. I do have pictures with the floor mats removed, so you can see the carpeting underneath them. I just thought when I get in and out for the video, I wanted to throw those floor mats in. Nothing hiding underneath there. Take a look in the still pictures. Tell you where to check those out one last time here before we wrap up this video. And there you go. Headliner, also a nice shape, matching the rest of the upholstery on the interior. Also quality. All right. One thing I can tell you is the power antenna does work. You can see a power antenna come up right out here. Show you that here in a second. See how easily that starts. Great running car. See the fuel gauge works did come up. Now, radio. It's got a little aftermarket retro sound style radio, and I can turn it on, and that does initiate power to the power antenna, and the power antenna does work. But I have not gotten the radio to work, so I want to make you the heads up about that. I've had the wipers work. They are a little touchy, let's put it this way. Seem to be still in vacuum. Horn does work. That is fine. So a little rundown on the interior. Be a fun one to get in and drive, especially with that power steering. Other than that, dash looking pretty stock with the exception of that radio. Nice, that door closes. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Sounds pretty smooth, nothing crazy as far as exhaust, anything like that. Gonna need to pause this 1 second. That's a big hood to get open. And let's check out that engine bay here.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here you go. Got power steering set up. Nice, tidy, real clean, stock-looking engine bay. Smooth running. See the data plate back here still intact. There'll be a still picture of that in with the still pictures as well as the VIN tag. So you can check those out, the still pictures also. There you go, 1952 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe with power steering. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.